What's up, guys? Today, me and Cody, we'll go fish this new pond, and hopefully,
Tentacion, baby.
And
we're
hopefully,
gonna look for a pond. We've heard one's up there. I'm not sure though.
Yeah, we heard of ponds up here on this hill. Hopefully, we find it. I got a little Texas rig on right now, with some kind of bait caster. I don't even know. Well, yeah, I'll get back to y'all once we start getting up this hill. Or heck, I have enough stores to make a full, like a 20-minute video. I told, shout out to Blake Wilder from, shout out to Blake. He commented on my last video, saying make some fishing videos. So this is, I'm doing this fishing video for y'all. So let's see if we can find this pond up here. Cody, I think. Cody knows where it's at, I think.
Yeah, it's deep. Road and then over.
Yeah, there's a road up here. It's on the left, I think. But yeah. But yeah, I'll get back to y'all once we find it, so stay tuned. Alright guys, as you can tell, we're out of breath a little bit, but about an hour later, finally found it. It's over his fence. But yeah. Whew, God.
Oh man.
That's a long one.
Fishing this thing. Oh, there is, because tell them about the bass I put in here.
Well, I say almost a year ago, Cody caught a nice female bass.
About 4 pounds.
Turned to listen here. She was having bait, she was spawning. So hopefully we find a bunch of bass. Oh no. Pond looks dried up. Hopefully there it goes, guys. I'm gonna be quiet now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There's the pond. I'm gonna cast real quick. Oh yeah, I'm gonna bring this shade. This thing's dried up bad, ain't it? Normally it wouldn't like this. Let's come up here. Oh, there's one bass. Holy crap, there's 2 bass. Oh, I'm seeing bass right now. Yeah, I'm gonna set y'all up right here for a minute. Yeah.
Got one already.
He already got one. He already got one. Heck yeah, boy. Look at that.
Oh my God. Check it out.
That's him. That's her. That is her.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. First cast, baby. First cast. That's that bass he turned loose in here. Oh my God. Let's wait. I got a scale. I got a scale. Yeah. Oh my God, guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. This thing is huge. Holy crap. This. Let him go. Let him go. No. Cody just. I swam. Here.
Oh my God, guys.
This is a monster.
Oh, holy crap.
Let me weigh him real quick.
Let me
get him still. I say 2 pound at the most. Here, hold on.
2 pounds? What are you talking about?
2 pound, 3. Hold on, no, you don't. Hold on. Alright, let him go. What is he?
I don't think the scale's on.
It is. On it goes. Scale ain't working. That was a monster. Oh, hold on, it's weighing. Uh-oh. It just started weighing him. Hold on, boys.
I seen 5 pounds, bro.
Alright, guys. Oh, can't get the scale to work, guys. Alright, that's 3 pounds. Almost, that's 4.
That's
4 pounds. Alright, just got the weight. There's the, yep, 4 pounds. That is a monster, guys. Oh my God. All that walking.
Take a picture.
Alright, guys. I'll get back to y'all. I want to take pictures with this fish. Alright, guys, I'm back after Cody catching that monster bass. There she is. Out there. Oh my God, guys. There's fish here, trust me. Trust me, guys.
Yeah, that bass was huge.
For real. That bass was a monster, guys. Oh, guys, I ain't gonna get the cast. But yeah, guys, that was a monster bass. You do not even know. All that walking was worth it. But yeah, I'm gonna set y'all right here real quick. Never mind. Go out here with my light casting. Hopefully it catch one. That was a good cast.
Got another one. Got another one.
Oh my god, guys, we got another one. Heck yeah, son. Another monster. Oh my god.
Bigger one. Bigger one.
No, it ain't bigger. Ain't no way it's bigger. Well, guys, oh, I got one. Oh, I have one. I have one, guys.
Dude, they're biting like crazy.
Well, you catch them on that frog, right?
Yeah.
You catch them on the frog, they're popping out underneath these rocks over here.
Barely had it hooked.
You barely have the bigger hook, too. Got one. Heck yeah, boys! Oh, no! Did you see that, Cody? Did you not see that? Well, I missed that one. And the sinker come back and hit me right in the chest. Well, that's the dookie. He got me on that rock right there. He got me hung up. Yeah. There ain't nothing over here, Cody. Trust me. They're all over there. What is this? Where's this frog bird nest to get? I missed one. That happened on my goes.
Did you get that on video?
No, I didn't get it. I got it on video, but I didn't get you holding it on video. Yeah, guys. About having, there's a bass right there. I see a bass sitting. Oh my god, that's a monster bass. Hold up, guys, I'll be back.
Oh, dude, it broke my frog off.
Oh my god, it's a monster coming out there. Trust me, it's bigger than the other one. You need another frog?
I ain't not a frog yet.
Let's not look at fast freaking ran. God, son. There's a monster bass right there. Yeah, guys.
I just hooked up with 2 monster bass, guys.
For real. Cody's done pretty good. Got my rock rolling.
Jig it. Jig it up off the bottom.
Nice whacking it, yeah. Look how bad it whacking. Yeah. Nice whacking it.
I don't care how small this hole is, there's bass in here. Monster. Where's your hooks at?
In the bottom.
On the bottom of this?
Yeah. Well, yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave y'all right there.
Get right there. Just sling it over in the middle.
Oh, hit a tree, guys. Oh, I shouldn't have to worry because the Texas Bridge. Dang it. Where's my sinker? Dang it, guys. Shoot. That is a heck of it. I want this thing to come knock me in the face. No, Mike, that sucker out. Well, my worm came off, but we got the hook and stuff.
Get over there. I'm gonna get over there and work this frog a little bit. Move your comb, move your comb. Move your comb. Hold it, I got a frog. Dude.
But yeah, guys, this is for y'all. Y'all can make a fishing video. So, me and Toby come in here. No over the fishing video for you. Again, thank y'all for having a channel going. I really appreciate that. And yeah, remember to always drop a like, subscribe, all that good stuff. For more fishing videos and stuff. Let me know if y'all like the videos. But Blake, if you're watching this, you should give me a shout out. But anyway, let's take this biggest thing and give the cast. Try and catch me a big old bass. Shout out to Outlaw. Me and Cody's trying our best to drop good content for y'all. So. Yeah, I'm fun. Wacky rig this. Watch Cody catching that one over there. Boys, we cannot be getting bait right here. Trust me. I had one. But, I've never caught a fish at this time. So I've lost a bunch. I ain't never caught one. There you go, I'm missing another.
Take that sinker off.
Can't catch bait cast this off something. Especially this one. So.
That's why you're getting no fish to get it spot.
Yeah. You know what time it is? It's time to pack me a lucky whipper. Ready? We're dipping off some grizzly today with stokers in a can. Yeah, let's pack one. Oh yeah, if y'all ain't got one at home, pack one with me. So yeah, let's pack us a hogger. I'm playing with the 2 clicks. All you need. Oh yeah. 2 good clicks. Take it right there. And you pack your fatty. Fatty. Who's that? But yeah, guys, let me know what y'all think about the fishing video. There's giants in here. Trust me. And look what Cody just caught, boys. It's not giant. But yeah. That frog he's using. Little frog out there. But yeah. Let me know what y'all think about an intro. Me, Cody, still think about making an intro video. Just jigging this wacky worm. Wacky rig. Across the bottom. Still catch one up there. What did I say? I called that. I called that. Oh God, that's 3 for Cody, boys. That's 3 bass for Cody. Ripping lips. Heck yeah, son. At least one of us catch it, son. Are you care if I after fish? Heck yeah, boys. We're catching some hogers over here. Are you serious? Be careful. Here, I'm gonna catch it back over there. I'm gonna catch a hoger. I just bird nested. First back lesson today. I actually want to take off with it right now. I need some catch on the hog. Oh yeah, that's perfect. The yield. I got on. That's all from. I went to worm and a frog. He ripped my mind. Okay, we just broke his line, guys. But yeah. There we go. As y'all can tell, this place ain't really all that big. We're gonna go over and show you this bass. And I didn't really get to show you the last one. That's 3 for Cody.
Not a bad one.
No. But yeah, I'll get back with y'all.
See Jeremiah.
Jeremiah. But I'll get back with y'all whenever something else happens. But until then, just stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm back. Cody's over there. Me and Cody both missed one after I shut off the camera. But yeah. We're gonna wrap it up
with one more cast.
I'm gonna sit right here on these rocks. This place is hot. One more cast, one catch me a big old bass. As y'all saw, what do you think about it? What do you think about it? Yeah.
I just gotta say thank you. Y'all been the reason we make this video.
And Blake, if you're watching this, give me a shout out, my brother. We made the fishing video because y'all requested it. Well, Blake requested it. And I think some of y'all like the fishing videos. But yeah, we'll be posting tomorrow too. What video are we gonna make tomorrow, Cody? Well, as he said, it'd be a surprise, I guess. But yeah, we're thankful for all the subs we got. And yeah.
Hey, well, we had a good fishing day today. Caught 3 really good bass. We're out, bro.
As y'all seen in the beginning of the video, it's a real long walk to get up here. Now we know where it's at. We'll probably start fishing it more for y'all. We have to cross this fence right here. We have to go straight downhill. But yeah, I'll get back to y'all here in a minute. Alright guys, I believe it's gonna wrap up the video. Remember to drop a like and subscribe.
And remember, swarp on that sycamore.
Swarping on them sycamores. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up the video for today. Remember to drop a like, subscribe, and peace. Love y'all. Thanks for all the support you've been giving us. Peace.